RCMP have issued 7 $1,200 tickets to Americans who were hiking in Banff National Park last week. RCMP say the fines were given to Americans who were violating public health orders. Of the 7, 6 of the tickets were issued in the Lake Louise area. RCMP say they received a complaint about an American-plated vehicle parked for a long time, and in that case, 4 tickets were issued to each American citizen. There were also 2 other cases where Americans were hiking for an extended period of time.
Each case is going to be assessed individually based on what we're presented with at the time, right? And this situation is continually evolving, as it has been all along with the pandemic. We would just hope that when we do encounter these situations, that if we do have persons from the U.S. who are traveling through, that they are in compliance with the directions that they've been given by the Canadian Border Service Agency, and that they are being reasonable in, their essential needs as they travel through.
The Canada-U.S. border has been closed to non-essential travel since March 21st and will remain closed until at least July 21st. Beginning today, if you have an existing reservation at some national parks, such as Banff, you'll be allowed to set up camp. All campgrounds won't be open, though. Parks Canada says limited camping is returning to Banff, Yoho and Kootenay National Parks, as well as the Rocky Mountain House National Historic Site. In Banff National Park specifically, Tunnel Mountain Village, Tunnel Mountain Trailer Court and the 2 Jack Lakeside campgrounds, as well as Lakeside Campground, will open, but at a slightly lower capacity. Parks Canada says while the scenery hasn't changed, you will notice more signage and reminders about physical distancing.
The experience is going to look a little different for visitors this year in our national parks and in Banff National Park, in terms of really making sure that we're all doing what we can to help keep our communities and neighbors and families safe. And so we just ask that people be prepared, know in advance, really make sure they check the website, and lastly, be kind to each other. We do want people to make sure that they bring, we're hearing it called the COVID kit, make sure you bring hand sanitizer and wipes and, just some of the extra cleaning supplies in terms of making sure that you can maintain your cleanliness and help us keep our facilities and spaces clean and keep our friends, neighbors, families, communities healthy as we try and flatten the curve together.